Good day everyone. My name is John Michael Doshavi Balingao and I am here to present about the emerging technologies in the field of food production. First, let us know about the emerging technology. A term generally used to describe a new technology, but it may also refer to the continuing development of an existing technology. It can have slightly different meaning when used in different areas, such as media, business, science, or education. The term commonly refers to technologies that are currently developing or that are expected to be available within the next 5 years or 10 years, and is usually reserved for technologies that are creating or are expected to create significant social or economic effects. And this is the emerging technologies in the field of production. New food technology trends have transformed the food and beverage manufacturing industry and associated business from within, leading to beneficial changes and improvements across the board. These trends aren't all technological in the traditional sense. However, everything from packaging, techniques, and materials to the equipment within facilities is part of innovation that we can expect to see in the food and beverage industry over the next years. And first is what we call the plastic-free and smart packaging. For decades, many food manufacturers have used plastics in some form or another in their packaging, since it has always been the cheapest and most convenient solution. With recent advancement in the fight against climate change, however, consumer perspectives are shifting, and they're looking for manufacturers to make some green changes. Biodegradable plastic is made of the polymer-derived plastic that will degrade with the help of living organisms. Even if consumers choose not to eat the edible packaging, it will decay naturally over time without harming the environment. Smart packaging is a form of nanopackaging, uses nanotechnology to detect microbial changes in the foods, either physically or chemically. The nanotechnology used in the packaging can help determine the food item's safety and quality if it's close to spoiling. Next is a modern drainage system. It is a new type of drainage system offers improved safety and sanitation throughout the food and beverage processing facilities. As an example, the slot drain puts a modern twist on the traditional trench drain system, which is grateless design that is built pre-slope to prevent the standing water and bacterial growth. The 10,000 series slot drain system is made from highly durable food-grade stainless steel, making its temperature corrosion, odor, and bacteria resistance. Best of all, slot drain is quick and easy clean and maintain offers automated cleaning option like flush flow and clean place consideration. Next is the plant-based animal-free products. The popularity of plant-based animal-free meat alternative has absolutely exploded over the last few years, due largely in part to concerns over climate change, questions about the ethics of factory farming, and health trend after health trend. These animal-free foods have been around for a few years, but it is only recently that they've become more commonplace. Thanks to brands like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods, 2023 should see a new players enter the market, as well as a wider array of product offerings. Next is the use of forward osmosis. In the food processing plants, the concentration of process helps keep the food fresh long enough to reach consumers. Research in this area has been carried out by Australia's CSIRO organization with the help of a US membrane technology company. That two entities have worked together to create a preservation processing unit using membrane technology to concentrate liquids is a process called forward osmosis. Forward osmosis is a gentler process by which concentrate food using less energy and no heat This also helps food to naturally retain more of its nutrients such as protein and vitamins throughout processing. The result is a higher quality end product compared to those made using traditional concentration methods. And now, we have what we call ohmic heating. Ohmic heating has two stainless steel electrodes and ohmic heating chamber. It has a power supply system and measuring system. Ohmic heating as an advanced thermal processing method that developed by United Kingdom Electricity Research and Development Center. It is a license to APPDEV Baker Ltd for commercial exploitation, also called for electrical resistance heating, Joule heating, or electro heating. It is a green technology that has an advanced thermal processing method that is food material is heated by passing electric current through it. Electric resistance of the food causes the power to be translated directly into heat. And now, we have the electric field. Pulse electric field. Pulse electric field has a high voltage power supply and it has a capacitor and discharge switch and treatment chamber. It is used for preservation of pumpable fluid or semi-fluid foods, pasteurization of fruit juices, soup, liquid egg and milk, thawing decantation of heat-sensitive food. Pulse electric field, also called as high-intensity pulse electrical field, mainly used to inactivate the deteriorative microorganism and pulses of high voltage that pass over the product placed between a pair of electrodes for an extremely short period of time. It has the resistance heating, electrolysis, and disruption of cell membranes. The gap between two electrodes is called the treatment gap. And that's all for today about the emerging technologies in the field of production. I hope you enjoy.